Community, inspiration, ambition. Optimism, sincerity, kindness. Inspiration in terms of sensing, experiencing something new, which inspires new ideas and new projects, or at least new points of view.
As Kino Otok literally means translated, an island of cinema, we try consciously to make it an experience, a very relaxed experience for the audience, but lately, in the past years, also for the professionals.
For us, the support from the European Union definitely means that we can realize the project in this extent, which means 5 days of festival in Isola, many satellite events, over 25 features shown, over 100 short films shown. What I hear mostly from people is that they really value the sense of community they get here. Over the last couple of days I've been talking to a lot of people who said if there would not be Kino Otok every year, I would not meet many of my colleagues, friends from different places in Slovenia or even from abroad.
So our aim is not to bring a very formal either educational or other events, but to make it something where people can actually feel a part of community, and this community has been growing and staying strong in the past years. Like we notice it a lot because they feel a part of the island.
In terms of European dimension, the process of applying for European support definitely sparked a very fruitful debate amongst our core team over the last couple of years already, since we started to apply for this support. And through that we started to realize more and more that it is important not only to look for unknown independent cinema outside of Europe, that there is a very abundant production of independent art house cinema across Europe, and that there are many territories which are completely unknown for our audiences.